This is actually a GoPro 360.
So 2, 3.
This is like sport mode or manual mode for 1969.
Pretty much. There you go.
That's too cool.
All right.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Matt. Right now, we're sitting in our 2020 C8 Corvette. We're heading over to Clearwater. We got invited out to the Dream Giveaway Garage again. So we're gonna go check out a couple of their Corvettes. They've got a 61, a 66, and a 2021 Corvette that they're giving away. I don't think that they have the C8 up there right now, but they do have the two classics, so we're definitely gonna check them out. There's a couple other cars I wanna show you guys as well. Figure I'd take you guys along and share the experience with you guys. All right, guys, we just stepped into the Dream Giveaway Garage. This is the view from the front door. Such a crazy view. We got some old classic Corvettes up front. We got our Camaro giveaway right in the middle there, a Tesla CTSV, and the Hellcat that just went out. These are all the posters of all the giveaways that they've done. They've been doing this since 2008. They've given away everything. Hey, there's a C7, but yeah, they've given away everything from Corvettes, Jeeps, Mustangs. For you truck guys and boat guys, they even have trucks, boats, and off-roading vehicles. Some more Corvettes, Mustangs, Porsches. But what I really came here to show you guys today are the two classic Corvettes that they've given away. This right here is a 61, and this is a 66. The 66 has been restored back to original. Guys, this car is literally perfect. Look at this interior. It is literally so clean. It literally looks like it came off the showroom floor. It's so nice. Let's open her up and get in here. Step back into 1961. Guys, that's what's so cool about this car is if you win this, you're literally stepping back into 1961. This is literally, if you were on the showroom floor and you're getting to a Corvette, this is what it would be like. So crazy. Oh man. Look at this steering wheel. It is massive. It's literally like the size of my arm. This whole gauge cluster looks too cool. This literally looks like you are in a cockpit of a airplane. I think that's what the inspiration behind it was, if I'm not mistaken. Check this out. Guys, look at this. Air conditioned pool. It's a pool knob. Cool in hut? What does it say? Cool in hot pool? Cool in hot pool. Oh, so if you want air conditioning, you pull here. If you want cool air, you push it in, and if you want hot air, you pull it out. Got an air pool fan, so I guess if you want just the fan on, defroster, pull. These are all pull knobs. You don't twist, turn, you don't push, you pull. That is too cool. This is a volume knob. This one I guess you twist and turn, and then you got the tune there. Got the AM, FM radio. Didn't even see the clock. This is a massive clock. It's got a 4-speed. God, it's got blue interior. I think this is all blue. This looks really dark, but yeah, I guess it's all like dark blue. Such good condition, guys. Literally, if you were to step into 1961, this is what, or 1966. I keep saying 61 because the 61 Vette's over there. But yeah, if you were to step into a 66 Vette at the dealership, this is what it would be like. Look at the parking brake right here. I guess you just pull on that like a T-handle. Air conditioning vents are down here. One down there. Let's push the clutch in and see what a 66 clutch feels like. Woo, that's a little stiff. First gear, second gear. Okay, I wonder, that feels really nice for 1966. Like that's like, it just goes into the gears. Very, I wonder if that's aftermarket or if that's how it was originally. So this is a convertible, it's a soft top convertible, and they also have a hard top. I gotta ask about that, see if we can't see that. Did you guys hear that door close? That thing sounds so solid. I love cars, how they were built back in the day. Just all metal on metal. Oh man, that sounds so nice. They did a great job restoring this thing. It literally looks perfect. See if we can take a look underneath the car here. Super clean, you can eat off of that. Man, 1966 Corvette convertible, too cool. So this car right here, they are giving away by itself. I think this is the first time they've given away Corvette by itself, a classic Corvette by itself. Usually they do them in pairs. The 66 is paired up with a 2021 Corvette that they don't have here right now. It's up at Lingenfilter, still getting worked on, but I think they expect it here pretty soon. So this car right here has a 427 V8 with, I believe, 390 horsepower. So this thing will probably get up and go. I don't think we're gonna be able to go for a drive in it today. I think we are going for a drive in the car they're giving away here shortly, the Hearst Olds. Maybe when it's closer to the garage door, we can get it out and take a ride in it. There's no trunk on this one. The gas cap is right here. How cool is this? Too cool. That's a massive gas cap. It's literally the size of my hand. It's got an antenna, that's power antenna. This whole car, probably blow your guys' mind a little bit, but this whole car, brand new back in the day, was between $5,000 and $6,000. That's crazy. I mean, back then, $5,000, $6,000 was a lot of money. But just to think that you could pick up this car for $5 grand, like that's crazy. Nowadays, I have no idea how much this car costs. I'd imagine it's gotta be a pretty little penny. Let's go look over here at the 61 now. This is the C1, this is the C2, that's 66, that's a 61. If you guys know your cars, you guys will probably notice right off the bat that this is not a 61 front bumper. This is actually a 5960. It looks a lot better than the 61 front bumper. The 61 front bumper is basically you take off all these teeth right here to get that solid bar across and then like a mesh grill in the back. It's kind of like very feminine, but this looks so aggressive, looks so mean. Guys, this whole car, let me start off by telling you, this whole car has about $250,000 invested into it. It is literally a brand new car. Let's start off by looking up underneath the suspension here. Show you guys this. You can literally eat off the bottom. It's all chromed out. Every single piece of the suspension has been worked on. It looks so crazy. It's got a trunk, same gas cap looking thing as the 66. Oh, gas cap's right here. So gas cap on the 61 is not there like the 66. Instead, it's right here. That's a cool looking square shaped gas cap. Let's look over at the interior, guys. This interior is literally brand new. Like, I don't even know if I should sit in it. It's so nice. I'm gonna go for it though. Oh man, oh my God. You guys hear that door? Oh my God, it sounds so satisfying. All right, let's just sit in this bad boy. Wow, okay. So first thing I noticed is like the seat is literally right on top of the floor. You have maybe a 4 inches from the floor to your seat. Like you're literally sitting on the floor in this car. That is too cool. Right, let's go for it. Let's take a little seat here. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is like all brand spanking new. Does not look like 1961. This is definitely like 2020. Oh, that is beautiful. This interior is literally leather everywhere. Every little piece of this interior is leather. Oh man, this whole interior is just bad. It comes with a 6-speed. The motor in this thing is an LS3. I believe it has 500 horses or so in it, 525. I can't even imagine how quick this thing is with 500 horsepower. It looks like a little go-kart. Like it's so tiny. This and the 66 over there, they're both so tiny. I can't imagine 500 horsepower in this. They've got the entire car wrapped in Continentals, I believe with, I don't know, 18, 19-inch rims. And they've got this stance so perfect. I'm not sure if it's on coilovers or what. Let's see. Literally has the perfect stance. Look at this whole rear end. Look at those half shafts. Look at that rear end. Look at the exhaust. Like this thing is so nice underneath. It's literally a work of art. So this 61 is paired up with a 2021 Corvette. Let me just show you guys their website here. I'm actually gonna enter on it too because I want both these cars. Like this car right here is worth $250,000 and they're pairing this thing up with a C8 that's worth, I mean, stickers around 90 because it's 3LT or north of 90. And then they're having Liam Filter tune it and put up to 600 horsepower. So I can't imagine, it's gotta be worth at least over 100 grand. So total package, 350 plus. So here's the giveaway right here. They're giving the 61 and the 2021 C8. Both are gonna be gray. I actually wanted to wrap the C8 Nardo gray, but now I'm not going to because someone else already has it. But you get both of these cars. So actually, I'm actually gonna enter into it because I wanna win this. And guys, they gave me a promo code to give to you guys, RWDC8. It should give you guys double bonus tickets. So check this out. Now, I'm gonna do $100. I'm gonna do 100 tickets to get 50 bonus tickets. So that, Corvette, da-da-da-da. Let's go to checkout. All right, I'm gonna fill this out really quick. All right, just hit continue. Oh, I'm just gonna put my credit card number in. All right, so credit card number is in. Go ahead and complete donation. And guys, remember, all these entries, these are all donations. You're donating to one of 8 different charities. So go on their website, check out all the different charities that they have. Gosh, I wanna win this so bad. I've got 150 entries into this guy, this and the 2021. So hopefully I can win those. Imagine if I had 2 C8s on the channel and an old classic. And we got the Z06 that's still in the shop. So over here is Hot Rod Row. They've got all the hot rods over here. They're actually giving away this Hurst Olds next. I believe it only has about 20 days left in the giveaway. I think we're gonna go for a ride in it so we get to experience this thing. Guys, check this interior out. It's literally perfect. Look at the ram air scoops up front. That is too cool. Probably true ram air too. Got a 3 or 4 speed automatic. Look at the headrest. Got the Hurst stripe in the middle there. All right, before we go rip it in the Hurst Olds, let me give you guys a little info on this. This is a 1969 Hurst Olds. They only made 906 of these, and this is literally number 1. Number 1, guys. Like, what are the chances to find the first Hurst Olds that was made back in 1969 in this kind of condition? Chilling here. This is too crazy, and you guys can win this. This is literally the next one that goes out. I think it's 3 weeks, so get those entries in to win this. All right, I'm gonna set this.
I think somebody's moved this seat up so you can slide that seat back. There you go.
Perfect. All right, let's see. So this is actually a GoPro 360. There we go. So you said they got a his and hers.
Yeah, so I mean, it is an automatic, but it's what's called a his and hers. So basically, you know, back in the day, if your wife was going to drive it, or your son was going to drive it, or whoever was going to drive it, basically that's drive. Okay, and you can put it down here. You can put it in low, and then you can smack it up to drive. But if you put it over here and pull it all the way down, now it's a slap shifter.
Okay.
Okay, so there's 1, there's 2, there's 3.
Oh, that's cool.
So 2, 3.
This is like sport mode or manual mode for 1969.
Pretty much. There you go.
That's too cool.
All right.
I love that. You got factory AC in this guy?
It does have, see, well, there's one great thing about being an Oldsmobile. I mean, this started its life as a base 442, okay? And then since it is an Oldsmobile, it's got power steering, it's got power brakes, it's got air conditioning, it's got power windows.
I saw that.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So is Oldsmobile like the luxury brand?
Oldsmobile back in the day was the luxury brand underneath Cadillac. This car has been through a complete rotisserie restoration. It's a little bit of an older restoration. It was done about 12 years ago, 10, 12 years ago. But it's still in just phenomenal shape.
This looks brand new.
Yeah, it is. I mean, originally the car has what, 93,000 original miles. One of the things that they didn't do on this is when they did the restoration, they did not roll the odometer back like they do on a lot of these cars.
Oh, they actually roll them back on restoration?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I
yeah.
How many miles are on this restoration?
My guess is probably less than 1,000.
Oh wow.
It may be less than 200 or 300. Because everything is still super solid and super tight. It literally, actually drives like just the way it did in 1969. You know, it hasn't been upgraded in really any way, I mean, other than the Kragers on it. Hear that 4-barrel?
Yep. 4-barrel carburetor.
Oh yeah.
Rear barrel's popping over.
Yeah.
Nice.
And this does have the ram air induction, so it is connected here. So when when you hit it hard like that, the valve opens up. You're pulling air right through the scoop. There's a lot to be said for retro mods and LS3 motors and all that kind of stuff. But man, nothing takes you back like driving a car like this, or driving a C1 or C2 Corvette that has been returned to a completely original status. And it's just an amazing feel to drive one of those cars. And
I mean, I didn't even pay attention to the outside, but I can't imagine the looks that you get when you're driving around in this thing.
Oh yeah,
all day. And the classic Corvette. People
are giving thumbs up. They're doing all kinds of stuff. They're honking and waving, and
it's a whole experience.
Oh yeah.
If one of you guys want to win this Hearst Olds, one of 906. It's sitting here waiting for you.
Yeah, go to www.dreamgiveaway.com. You can see this beautiful 69 Hearst Olds along with all the other classic cars. You make a $3 donation that all goes to charity, and it only takes one ticket to win.
Only one.
And you could put one of these amazing machines in your driveway.
And you guys have actually had one person win twice.
We have. We had the same guy that won the LS powered converted Jeep. Also won a pair of Corvettes.
Three cars. He won 3 cars. That's so cool. All right, guys, we're back at the Dream Giveaway Garage. I just took Chris for a rip in the C8. What a cool experience, guys. If y'all want to win one of these cars, they got so many of them. I'll show you guys a quick view from here. They got the 69, the truck. I just entered into the 1961-2001 Corvette one. I should put 150 entries in, so hopefully I get that. I think that one goes out in August, so it's a couple more months. We'll see if we win. But guys, if y'all want me to keep coming out here and showing you guys these cars, checking out these cool classic cars and even the new ones, let me know. Throw it in the comment below, like the video. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see y'all next video. Later.